COLTENE is convinced that everything can always be a little bit better, easier, and more reliable. COLTENE knows exactly what drives customers and is always on the lookout for innovative and smart solutions. COLTENE calls this approach upgrade dentistry. Quoted on the Zurich Stock Exchange, COLTENE operates state-of-the-art development laboratories and production facilities in Switzerland, Germany, the USA, and Brazil. All facilities are committed to the development, manufacturing, and marketing of mechanical, technical consumables, and small equipment. COLTENE focuses on the following 6 disciplines. The fully comprehensive endodontic range covers all areas, from canal preparation to irrigation through to obturation. Recognized brands include Parapost, HighFlex, as well as Hygienic and Roeco. The international brands Brilliant, Miris, or Companier and Paracore are well-established flagships in the product segment of restorations. Matching adhesive systems and polymerization lamps round off the range and meet the highest demands in aesthetic filling therapy. COLTENE set important milestones by developing President, an A-silicone, followed by Speedex, the first dimensionally stable C-silicone. Other brands, such as Affinis or JetBlue Bite, have gained outstanding reputation for taking consistent, high-precision impressions. The portfolio for treatment auxiliaries offers products for wound treatment, such as Roeco Gelatam, to mention but one. Other examples for draining and infection control include Surgitive, the hygienic rubber dams, or Biosonic ultrasonic cleaners for efficient and safe work. COLTENE offers a comprehensive range of rotary instruments, such as high-performance diamond and carbide burrs with outstanding stability, as well as polishers. Leading universities and opinion leaders appreciate working together with COLTENE. Close customer contact at international key opinion leader meetings, trade fairs, and symposiums are utilized to develop new product ideas and solutions. All these measures stand for a plus in performance. In other words, upgrade dentistry, or better quality, better reliability, better practice.